What is the best chest exercise? In this video, I'm going to be measuring the muscle activation data of both my upper and middle chest using my electromyogram devices. I chose 8 different exercises to compare, all of which are pressing movements and all using a weight equal to 70% of my 1 rep max. And as per usual, we're going to be using a percent maximum voluntary contraction metric to compare movement. First up, we have the standard dumbbell flat bench press. After excluding any outliers, we're left with a 71% MVC for the upper chest and 108% MVC for the middle chest. Now we perform the same movement but with a neutral grip which tucks our elbows in, and we get a near identical 72% reading for the clavicular chest and 102% for the middle chest region. Now we try an exercise which I've never done in my entire life, which is a reverse grip bench press. In line with previous studies, this skyrockets upper chest activation to 88% MVC, while middle chest stays around 101%. This is a perfect example why a high EMG reading doesn't always equate to a good exercise. Now we incline the bench to 30 degrees and perform a standard incline press, netting us a 76% upper chest reading and an 84% middle chest. Because of the crazy results of the supinated grip, I decided to add in a reverse grip incline press. This once again resulted in a substantial 90% MVC average for the upper chest and a low 58% for the middle region. Next, I perform a high incline bench press on a roughly 60-degree bench angle. This results in a 78% upper chest average and a 55% middle chest average. Despite this data, a 30-degree incline is still likely your best option to make it less of a front delt dominant movement. As for whether or not a barbell is a better option, theoretically the answer should be no because of the lateral force vector involved with the barbell. However, my readings showed an 86% MVC upper reading and an 82% middle reading. As for a chest press machine, this one is slightly on an inclined track, resulting in 90% MVC reading for the upper chest and 83% for the middle chest. Here are our final results for the upper chest, and very clearly we can see some strange findings. I'm going to make a follow-up video to this one going in depth on the validity of these results. However, for everyone's sake, I will say right now that despite the high activation, reverse grip presses are extremely deceptive and not a good exercise choice. And here are our middle chest results, of which these are much more tame. These results clearly reinforce what we already knew, which is that the middle chest is less active the higher the bench angle. If the machine press was not on an incline, I have high reason to believe this activation would be much higher. As mentioned earlier, I'm going to be making a follow-up video so we can properly analyze these results, as this video is a perfect example why I always tell you guys not to take these EMG numbers at face value, as even if the activation is higher, there are so many other variables that can influence the quality of an exercise.